other polyhedra. In this, we will see about other solids other than regular polyhedra. Square prism. It is a solid with two square bases which are connected by four rectangular surfaces. Square pyramid. It is a solid with a square base and four number of isosceles triangular lateral surfaces. Solids of revolution. In this, we will see how the solids cylinder, cone and sphere. Cylinder. It is a solid which is generated by revolving a rectangle about a vertical edge. Cone. It is a solid which is generated by revolving a right angle triangle about a vertical edge. Sphere. It is a solid which is generated by revolving a semicircle about its diameter. Cone frustum. We will see about how to get frustum of a cone. In this, a cone is cut by a section plane such that the section plane is parallel to the base of the cone. The top portion of the cone is removed and the remainder is frustum of a cone. In this, the cross section is a circle. Truncated cone. We will see how to get a truncated cone. To get a truncated cone, the cone is to be cut by a section plane such that the section plane is inclined to the axis of the cone. The top portion of the cone is removed and the remainder is cone. In this, the section is an ellipse. Example problem 1. Front view, top views. A square prism of base 40 mm side and axis height 70 mm is resting on one of its bases on the ground with a vertical face perpendicular to vertical plane. Solution to example problem 1. Draw the view which will show the true shape of the base. In this case, the top view is to be drawn as per the given condition. Draw the corresponding front view. Indicate the notations for the hidden edges within parentheses. Darken the front and top views. Example problem 2. Front view, top views. A rectangular pyramid of size 50 mm by 35 mm by 70 mm is resting on the ground on its base such that a longer base edge is inclined at 30 degrees to the VP and the apex is 40 mm in front of VP. Solution to example problem 2. Draw a line making 30 degrees with XY line and on it mark the apex O 40 mm below XY. With O as center, construct the rectangle and its diagonal to complete the plan. Project the corresponding front view. Show O', D' by dotted line. Darken the front and top views. Example problem 3. Front view, top views. A right circular cone of base diameter 50 mm and height 70 mm is resting on HP on its base with its axis 70 mm away from the vertical plane. Solution to example problem 3. Draw the plan, which is a circle with its center 70 mm below XY line. Project the corresponding front view, which is a triangle. Darken the front and top views. Solution to example problem. Draw the simple position front view and top view. Tilt the top view such that the axis is inclined at 45 degrees to the XY line. Draw the projectors vertically upwards from the new top view and horizontally from the simple position front view. Now mark the intersecting points and complete the final front view. Show the hidden edges by dotted lines. Darken the final front view and top view with HB pencil. Example problem 6. A pentagonal prism of base side 30 mm and axis height 65 mm is resting on HP on its base such that a vertical face is parallel to VP. Solution to example problem 6. Draw the plan, which is a regular pentagon with one of its sides parallel to XY line. Project the corresponding front view, which is a rectangle with bottom base on XY line. Show the visible vertical edges with dark lines and the hidden vertical edge E', J' by dotted line.